At den er slet ikke elastikken sidder i. It's okay. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. It will just be nice.
Oh, you wanna try this one? Boko.
Boko.
Coconut.
Oh, I know Boko. Boko shake. Okay lang. Just let me have it. Oh my God. Yeah, they have to be. They have to be. I like spices. Okay, but isn't this the way you used to do it?
Yeah. Yeah, put it back there. Flying object. Flying object. Look at yours. Do you have animal maybe though?
No, no.
There's an insect in Hazel's. See, I told you that this could actually be, of course when you ask is it dry, they would say dry because it got no soup, right? I don't think they understand what you're saying. Is it tender or moist? Or it's dry. So they always say dry because it's dry.
But it also is dry. That's
No, it is actually moist inside.
I will make this one when we get back home, sweet salad. And you will test your pain of how good it is. And yes, of course, you're buying a press. You press directly on the film.
Boom! Not more than say so.
Yeah, of course.
Then you can decide if it's tender. I think it's tender. It's moist daw, ano?
Hindi ka tumapagaw.
Right.
Wala na sa mga. Oy, kawal na.
Pagit. Sure na. Okay, pagit. Sorry.
Yeah, but no, of course. I was just looking at you and saying, was it for real? Of course not.
Come on.
May.
But it's not disgusting dry.
No, it's in way worse. He was in QHA when I got there. Thank you.
Kulang akong pinakbit to.
Wala siya dito.
Huh?
May pinakbit, vegetable, mixed vegetable may order.
What's yours?
Sarap ng ano dong, buko.
Oh, ako sa watermelon na lang.
And look at
Next time I will ask, is the chicken dry also? I will say it's very dry.
I was also when he came with us the house and I put down.
You just dig it into the soil and it will be soft.
what? Good thing
I don't like that one.
Why?
I just don't like it. Taste it.
Mga tumas na yan.
Ikke til hunden, man er så 100 om morgenen. Nu kommer jeg også slås for.
It says not feed the cat, not the cat. It's okay then.
Gusto hindi forgot na pinakbit ko.
Sa cook, you said. You're still buying vegetables.
Lidt som går det.
Ha?
Wala kang tano ba?
Ja, eat it. Take it all. I hate it.
Ay,
Mang tumas yun.
Kender du kylling?
Jeg kan lide med chokolade nu. Jeg ved, hvor man...
Kylling er god.
Ja. Jamen, tak.
Mang tumas ah.
Altså, den er i hvert fald ikke for ikke at spise. Du siger, den er
Double that.
død af den.
Double that.
Den er overdækket.
Huwag manok oh.
Den er lidt overdækket.
Ano? Mas unang tanong mo yung YouTube dapat mo. Ang pag-iinit mo.
Nag-predict na?
They didn't turn off for the fryer, for the deep fry. It was
Hvad er
a
det?
deep fry.
Og det, jeg tror, der har været på... Jeg tror, det er sikkert, der står råtlægger, som bare lige får en tur i introen.
May gawin ko nag-grab eh. Nag-grab ko lang.
Norte, may pinakbit.
Okay, so
Muna siya nag-serve na ito kaya laki.
Wala, isa ba tayo ito?
Nala yun siya? Okay. Then I would just enjoy my boko.
you will not have anything to eat except rice?
Yeah.
Take some chicken.
Yeah, I told you.
Take some chicken.
You know, get
Not
no, not that. That's very important
God,
for
you know how he is when it comes to legs.
What?
Yeah, you don't remember it. I remember you went to Jollibee once, standing in the rain, you only want legs.
chicken muna.
And now she was about to take the leg. I said, no, not the legs. Not the legs.
Please don't let us listen to that guy again. Is there no more leg? Where's all the leg?
Bibigyan ka din fish eh.
Ha?
Bibigyan na din fish.
Ba?
Yeah, you don't get chicken with chicken.
Mga tao.
Okay. Not be fried all the way through. It looks like something that is in the over in the fryer. Forgot.
But it's not really dry inside. The inside of it is not really dry.
He said he was on the way with the food.
Is that?
I don't know, I asked.
I didn't hear anything. Oh, there's so much doggies ba? 1, 2, 3.
They were screaming from the
They're cooking.
Agona.
I can hear it. They're cooking.
That's always good. For me, sometimes while you're washing the dishes. This piece of this is already properly good.
Martin, you know how you're gonna get success up there? That kitchen has to be really made into a nice little kitchen. And then you're gonna sing your song up there. And you're gonna hammer the meat and all that. And then everybody will listen to that fucking crazy guy standing up there making food. And then we'll come and say, okay, let's see
It's
what
just a
it
bit
is.
open kitchen
And
space.
then you make a Venus meeting. And make a Venus meeting. That's motherfucking science shit. Huh? Thing.
Yeah, but that's not, you're here empty. It's frozen. So it's difficult to get people in, and there's too much waste. Pizza, there's no waste. The only thing you can waste is maybe some dough some once in a while. And you really got no business, and the dough costs nothing. Right?
Exactly.
So pizza is the best way to make money.
So all meat you put on will be frozen.
Huh?
All meat you will put on will be frozen.
No, but it stays so long. It's salami. It's what? Remember the one you bought that was not even cooked by hand when you went there the first time?
Ah,
Huh? It's almost 9. It's 9 months.
you like it?
Come on.
Yeah, you like it?
Come on, come on.
Yeah, I think okay.
So the items you put on it is something that can stay for months. Yeah, maybe you lose some cheese once in a while if you straighten it. But it also lasts very long.
Need to be a toilet there.
Of course.
Right? So people go in and it's nice.
Yeah.
And that toilet has to be what he's living today. It has to be made into a very nice toilet. So that's something we have to tell him where it has to be done now. Make that fucking toilet. Make these rooms an apartment. Okay?
But are you sure they're going to stay though? That's it. Oh,
How much?
she got worried.
If they're not going to stay, there are going to be other people staying there. Or they're going to be rent it out. Okay? Okay.
These Germans, they're staying there for so long, so they do get a discount.
Yeah.
So if you stay for a month, there's a certain discount or something.
Yeah, but the game said he doesn't know how much.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I talked with him about it last time. So there's a German guy coming staying a month or more every year. But he's staying in a family room with the parents and stuff like that. Very weird.
It is actually weird. So he got no wife, nothing.
They keep
Oh,
the
the
budget,
wife is
they keep the budget down.
So the parents' wife and him in one room.
I think so, but I don't know if he also got another room. I actually don't know.
Ved du, hvad han har givet for jorden derude? Eller?
Jeg ved ikke, hvordan man kan få lov at købe, når han var
Nej, han er arme og kone.
for det en del af lease.
Hvad?
Lease.
Har I lavet det?
Det er det eneste, jeg ved, det var nu.
Tuyos na po mo kayo. Tapos,
Oh, may no. May diskupan.
sa akin na sa duwan. Ako na.
8.
Buti ba? I'm saying that the person very dirty.
What kind of...
Let's do that on the other side.
9:30 was our last call for the kitchen.
Over there?
He told us, Mom, it's my last call for the kitchen is 9:30.
9:30.
There we go.
Hi, thank you.
Look at her.
Now I'm happy.
Look at how happy she is. She's so happy.
Then look at her picture. She's so happy. Now we can share.
Yes.
Now you will love it. You two boys can also eat some.
I
He
cannot-
did not try this one. He hates it.
Yeah,
Papaya.
yeah, of course.
Pakita sa ko, this is like flatbread mixed with shrimp. Come on, Moji is first cooked, really. Martin? Martin?
It's not gonna happen.
It's not gonna happen.
But thank you.
Then that means more for us.
Was that also what you said when you saw me? Oh, you speak a bit more for me.
Flatbread. Himingaw na ko ang inani day ay.
Yeah, I've been eating that one.
Ah, see?
Not, yeah. When we went to the Asian store, I always buy that. Actually, I buy it for Moren, but he doesn't eat it.
It's good for ano, right?
With diabetes.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. Dong.
Matulog siya ko sa Asian ano ba? Makalaya. Hulong ka kainit.
What kind of Asian seafood can you make in an oven, big oven, at high heat? Make scallops or something.
I heat don't know how heat don't.
High heat, then it turns into black,
No,
burn.
because you just came very short time. I saw when you went to the market days, you went to this seafood.
Cebu?
And did you got the scallop that was standing and flame grilling?
I'm not with them. Maybe.
Yeah, do you take credit card?
No, we can do it for
Okay. How much is it?
Nothing to be said.
for two. 1,000
No, for all of it.
for
All
all.
of it. Yeah.
Okay, 1,385.
All together.
Yeah, together.
That's very nice.
Fattening chicken.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
400 lang yun, 400.
I don't have. I have five.
Okay.
It's okay.
I get the, ano ba ang resibo?
In English,
Ano ko? Ang resibo?
I'll get the sino.
Sabi ko, ano ang resibo?
I'll get the resibo. Dali na lang daw sukli.
It's one one. Okay. Okay.
What about husband, please?
I have 5 pesos, so. Cut over the rest is.
So that's one nice. That's nice that you could get here.
Yeah.
But you look at
Ja, det er også. Og man finder der fint, det er
Di ba yung may wala? Di ba? Di ba?
Dali din mo.
Så er det noget kød. Det er ikke noget kød.
Nej, det er ikke det. Det er ikke det.
Tumatag nito.
Ikke noget i der.
Yung sherry cola.
Fuck, det var faktisk.
Just leave the bone lang. You don't care. You're used to it. With the
I'm not
bone.
eating this.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna give it to them.
No.
Ja, det er ikke på dag.
Ang buong na yan natin dito. Is there a rice in there?
Ja, ja, det er
Nej,
godt.
dem er ikke.
Selvfølgelig.
Ito pa luto na ko yun. Ito pa init yun. Ako yun.
Pwede.
Package.
Di mag 400 daw.
Tapak niya magtuktok ka.
What?
Kami sa restaurant, sabi sa mga
Hindi na ako kayo.
uling ko na.
Det skal det her.
Lako sir.
Ja.
Og der er meget, der er ikke noget også.
Get used to the jiwa niya.
Og 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nagano na lang ng orange eh.
Ano ba ko ha? Lumit isa na lang. Lumit isa na
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nataan.
Ja, 3 personer.
Magkauntangan.
Men de er da meget vigtige, at vi kommer da ikke hen og gør noget, de holder en pause.
Ja, ja, de venter på, at de får noget.
Ja, de får så ikke noget, men
Ikke endnu.
de står der. Det er klart, fordi de er sultne.
There's no love, give it to them lang.
I will be done.
We're done.
Imagine you put a piece of the...
Assistant principal.
No, but imagine we get into a fight under the table and you get bitten and all that. And you got rabies and all that.
Hold on.
Og det bedste, der er jo rabies.
Ja.
Og hvis den sygdom ikke er, så er det med rabies. Rabies is like the worst. Men der var sådan en video, der var der. Og der er lige en norsk bil, der så rabies.
Okay.
Ah, jeg er så glad for dyr. Nå, så skidt. Så ja. You want me to serve you? Or you
Så slap den lige en løb.
slags familie, det løst.
Ja, og så vil hun blive.
Nej, hun var sådan noget, så hun lå bare slikket åbent, så kraftigt for hende, så det er noget. Og når det først er symptomer, så er det noget at gøre.
How many? How many?
One, how one? Makagiwa mo.
Så. So we done? No, sorry.
Almost.
Sorry.
Oh, only thinking about yourself.
You are.
See, when you're done, we are all done.
Yeah, for sure. We have been done for hours. Siam is just eating.
Oh, blame it to them. You serve it late. I'm normally
And normally, it's
I'm a normally fast eater.
Very slow eater. Because she's always talking and talking and
Yeah,
talking.
so very
It
hard.
doesn't matter if she's talking about, she's a slow eater.
Yeah, she is.
She can eat for an hour or two, no
No,
problem.
no, when we were working together, don't. Just talking. Talking.
No more.
Come on, eat now. I'm
No
wait.
more.
I don't know.
Two last bites.
Then what are you done? Not eat anymore.
We've also been eating late lunch a while ago.
Væk.
Wait.
Væk.
Bisaya only Palestine for dogs.
What is that?
Bisaya only.
Beside.
Yeah, Sivan only Bisaya. They don't understand English.
Of course it is.
Vic. It's not Victor.
What's it? Væk. What's it væk?
No, sit.
What's it væk?
No, sit.
Væk. Væk.
It's a mama. Look at that.
Yeah. No big tits. All of them are big tits, mama.
And there are actually no boys around.
No.
It's
Who's
fucking,
fucking them?
yeah, so I think this is, and my guess is this is a place with a lot of Koreans. It's my guess.
I think it's gonna bring your mama with me next time for you to talk nicely. You would never say that if your mama was here.
Who's fucking you, doggy?
Huh? I never heard you say things like that.
So actually, maybe we start also with a shot.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Char.
Yeah.
This is charcoal.
Yes. Don't
Just relax and eat your
give me
food.
colour.
What about your
I want some more food. So we can get rid of it.
We've had lunch around 4 in the afternoon.
Are you serving your wife now?
She's a woman. She's normal.
What kind of suddenly happened?
Yeah, she's a woman.
For
She's always a woman to me.
She's a woman now. She used to be a man.
you used to be a little boy. Yeah, come on. Det er det.
Hold nu kæft.
Ja, hvorfor skal du fylde så meget dit og så lidt?
Det er fordi, der er to, men det
Du
er
har.
They couldn't. Cola de oro.
Can I find this dog? This one should get this one because he is thin. Or she?
Oh, they got ice cream.
Jeg har ikke
Sorry.
nogen.
They got a side ice
I
cream.
take it soft ice.
Really soft ice.
I would really like that.
Only soft ice can work, yeah.
Motherfucking soft ice.
Of course, all foreign people eat. Also, people also love it. Right? Of course. I just make it like they did out in the.
I don't believe in pizza. So, pizza. I believe in soft ice and ice cream out to the street there. So you have a little, just vanilla, whatever, what you want, 4 different kinds or something like that. And then soft ice.
Don't make Martin confused now.
Because then they will come from up there, from the big resort. And they, let's go for a walk to the town and buy an ice cream on the way. Maybe.
So of course, soft ice will everywhere. Everywhere. Even 7-Eleven here got a soft ice.
Yeah. Jollibee got soft ice.
Yeah,
McDonald's
that's
got.
a nice. 7-Eleven is it's a convenience store. Of course, I know about it.
And you can bake your own waffles. Make your own waffles.
No, don't complicate things. Make it easy.
Hi.
It's because that would be really nice that people really love.
Yeah, that's what we like. It's so. According to your wife, it is.
It's a nail.
What?